In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your SoFi investing account. That way you can start investing money to start building wealth. If you have any questions throughout this video, please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. Please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your SoFi Invest app. So we're right here on the main screen and you see Invest down there at the bottom right. So we're going to tap on that. And this is where you can see I have $0 in my account right now. So we're going to go ahead and deposit $100. So you see add cash right there. We're going to tap that. One thing you're going to want to have on hand is most likely a check just in case. So you have your routing number and bank account info and bank account number. That way, just in case we run into any issues, we have that on hand. That way we can start getting money into our account so we can start investing it as well. So in this case, I actually want to deposit $100 and then I'm going to, it says from add account because I don't have an account added to this yet. And then 2, there's my individual account, this investing account. So right now I need to add a bank account. So I'm going to add account. Okay, so it's going to use Plaid. Plaid is a way to log into your bank account through the app. Now, Plaid is a very secure it's a secure way to connect your bank account. So don't worry. You shouldn't worry about getting hacked or anything like that. You're going to be pretty safe with using Plaid. So we'll hit continue. Now, this is where I can select my bank. If you don't see your bank on this list, you can actually search for it up top here. In this case, I use PNC and you can see it right up top there. So I'm not going to type in anything right now. So I'm going to tap PNC, and this is where I can go ahead and fill in my login information for my PNC online account. So I'm going to type that in right now. Now it's going to send me a text just to verify that I am who I am. So I'm going to check my text, or I'm going to tap text to have them send it there, and I'm going to hit continue. Now in this case, I got texted a code, so I'm going to go grab that code right now and put it in here and hit submit. Now this is an error that I just got. PNC accounts are not able to be linked to this service. We apologize for any inconvenience. Okay, that's kind of annoying. If you were able to log in or add your bank account through this way, then you're perfectly fine. We need to find another way to do this. I think I'm going to have to add my checking account info. So let's find a way to do that right now if you run into this problem. Okay, so now we're back to the add cash area. So if you're having any issues with connecting your online bank account, you can add your checking account or whatever account you want to manually. So I'll show you how to do that. We're going to hit add account. And because I got that error already, I know that I'm not going to go through this whole process. So instead of hitting continue, I'm going to hit the X at the very top right to add my bank account manually. So do you want to try that again? Connect a new account? No, because I already tried that. It didn't work. I want to add account manually. So I'm going to tap that at the very bottom. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and add my checking account info based on the check that I have right here. Now it's going to ask me to give a nickname to this account that I just linked. In this case, I'm just going to hit I'm going to type in PNC checking. That way, for future reference, when I go to deposit money into my SoFi Invest account, I know which checking account or which bank account the money is going to be coming from. So that's all this is for. I'm going to hit next. Okay, as you can see, I've got my from account attached, and I've got my to account attached. And then I'm going to deposit $100. You see frequency, one time today. Now, if you want to, you can choose to have money deposited on a recurring basis, depending on the amount of time that you want to choose, whether it's weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly. It's completely up to you. In my case, I'm just going to choose one time. So I've got that highlighted right there. I'm going to hit the back button. I'm going to hit review deposit, confirm this. Okay, now I have $100 available to be traded as well. I'm going to hit done. And this is where I can start investing through the SoFi Investing app. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button before you go. Also, check out the description for more ways to get free stocks from different investing apps. Make sure to check out these other how-to investing apps to your left and next. One of them will be showing you how to invest using the SoFi Invest app.